this chapter belongs to knowledge management in organization and its implications for strategic human resource management and HR professionals. In this module, we will talk about knowledge and information and what is the link between the two, knowledge and information. So, knowledge has been defined in terms of its relationship to information and data. When we talk about data, so everything which can be stored in computers, in their textbooks, or in different forms refers to the data. It can be numbers or it can be something which is written in words. So we say that this is something as a data. So data comprises numbers, words, and images, and the information becomes knowledge when it is used in a meaningful way. So those things which is stored in computers or in USBs or in hard drives or on a different places, when you use those things and that data, that become knowledge, or when you use it in a meaningful way. Fairly speaking, I was having a talk with some of my colleagues, and you might have observed that whatsoever is your mobile phone or your computer, the type of searches you have, and the type of things you type and you write on your mobile phones, the things which are related to those things, they keep on appearing on your computer screens and your mobile screens and in future searches. And we were talking about that in that sense, that even if your mobile phone is just sitting next to you and there is nothing, you are doing any activity on that mobile phone, but still that mobile phone has an internet connection, and because even if you are not using a mobile phone, people can see your location. And when you are driving, for example, the Google is asking you, and you say that select my current location. So Google can see your current location. Even if you see the history of last 1 month or 1 week, Google can tell you the location even when you were not using the mobile phone. So that is the data that is stored, or that is some information. When that information, based on your habits, based on what you have searches, and as a result, it actually tells you in future, if you belongs to one political party and you keep on searching about those type of posts, in future you might see those type of posts more frequently. If you are looking for something which is related to your religion or your country, so you see that those things keep on appearing on your computer screen or on your mobile screen. So this is the information, and that is the use of that information. Unless that information is not used, it is only something which is stored and not being used as in the form of knowledge in a meaningful way. So often the boundary between information and knowledge is blurred. We cannot really differentiate very straightforwardly that this is the knowledge and this is the information, and these two are different. So the information is also a knowledge that exists on in different forms on different places, and you use it. We call that it is a knowledge. And fairly speaking, adding something more to the knowledge, knowledge is also something which is stored. Unless you don't use it, when you use it, it may become a skill. So, but however, everything cannot be a skill. For example, if you know what is the population of population of the United States, or what is the population of Pakistan, what is the population of Punjab, so it's not a skill; it is the knowledge. So that is also information at the same time that is stored on different in different places or on different platforms. So sometimes information is described as explicit knowledge. In the last modules, we have differentiated between the tacit knowledge and the explicit knowledge. But however, the information, because it is objectively or in different forms, for example, in the forms of figures and diagrams and tables, and in the form of books, it can be stored and people can access it, people can see that, people can read it and learn from it. So generally information is referred to as a explicit knowledge. However, I see that the tacit knowledge about it is more about the practical expertise. That is also the information, but that information is actually stored and reside within the people, while the explicit knowledge is something that might reside more closely to the something which can be accessed by the other people. So, hence, it is the combination of people and information resources that will deliver superior performance and can be a source of competitive advantage. As we have said multiple times, that the goal of a strategy is to secure a competitive advantage. So, it is the people of the organization, and it is the information, and it is the knowledge that can be that can reside within the people, or something which is on the databases, but at the same time people, because they also have something in the form of tacit knowledge, and a combination of these things may result and may facilitate an organization to develop a sustainable competitive advantage. When we say sustainable, it might not be easy for other to imitate or other to copy. Thank you.